Hey everyone, welcome to the Janice channel. Today's pronunciation guide is for actor Joe Manganiello, a name that looks intimidating but is actually pretty easy once you break it down. You might have seen him in Magic Mike, True Blood, or Justice League, and if you've ever hesitated to say his name out loud, you're not alone. Let's go step by step. His first name, Joe, is simple, just Joe. Now, the tricky part, Manganiello. It's pronounced Manganiello. Let's say it 5 times together for practice. Joe Manganiello, Joe Manganiello, Joe Manganiello, Joe Manganiello, Joe Manganiello. And there you have it. Now you're saying it like a pro. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more name pronunciation tips right here on the Janice channel. See you next time.